Vinegar. Hi, I'm Russ. I'm rebuilding a 1977 Mobile Traveler motorhome, and this is all about the MT and me. Welcome back to the MT and me. We're getting ready to give this old girl her first bath in 17 years. And hopefully maybe... The first day we were out there was our learning day. Much of the roof was covered in lichen, with the worst concentrations on the fiberglass cab over, as you can see here. The orange rings and the black spots that you see are actually a plant. Well, two plants. Well, actually a plant, an algae, and sometimes another plant. Yeah, so the point is here, you either kill it or it grows back. Before we spent a bunch of money on stuff to kill the lichen, we experimented on places that the lichen was the thickest, using what we had on hand. First, we dry brushed over it to break it open. Then we soaked it in vinegar with just a shot of eco-friendly Dawn dishwashing detergent. That's to help it stick. Well, we let that sit, and then we hit it with the jet sprayer on the water hose. That removed some of the lichen, but going back over it with a brush really made a big difference. After a quick trip to buy brushes, we decided we'd just focus on washing her face today so that she'd look pretty to people driving by. Vinegar. It's really hard for me to express how it feels to be rinsing away all those years of not just lichen, but grime and dirt that Puddle had on her. And to see how pretty she is underneath everything. Kind of makes me want to sing while I work. Kill the lichen, kill the lichen, kill the lichen, kill it all. It actually took 3 days to get the roof done. But after that, it was just lather, rinse, and repeat all over the rest of her. Well, she's not totally clean, but she's a lot cleaner than she was. Truth is, there are some places that we're going to clean as we go. For example, the front grille, we want to take it off and clean it completely. And there are several other areas that we're going to do that same thing with. And we're going to be cleaning her over the next several months, more than likely. And of course, we'll have to keep working to keep her clean, sitting outdoors. So it's an ongoing process. But hopefully, most of the lichen is dead. Time will tell. So getting her clean turned out to be more of a job than we anticipated. But it was worth it. Now, just a little bit of touch-up paint, and she'd be looking almost new on the outside. You can look at her now and see all those clean, smooth, aerodynamic lines. She looks so different from when we found her buried up to her axles in mud. And when you look at the front of her, you just gotta love that face. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook too. Next time, while we're waiting on our jacks to get here, we're going to go inside and see how she's put together and maybe start doing a little bit of interior demolition. So be sure and join us then. Till that day, I'm Russ, Reed's behind the camera, and we'll talk later. Oh, by the way, for those of you who are wanting an ASMR version of us giving her a bath, here you go.